happy, what is today? Wednesday, I guess. Happy Wednesday, and I am at my house today, so a couple of quick little notes before we get started. We legitimately do live here, so as I show you my dog freaking out about the vacuum and all of that stuff, you'll probably see some dirt and some fingerprints like you do on my microwave. So I'm sorry, but we do legit live here, so please pardon our dust and, you know, fingerprints and all of that stuff. So yeah, so I'm super excited to tell you about that new dog product that I told you about before on the pressure washer or the pressure wand video, which we do have those back in stock. We sold out, we had to order some more. We do have those back in, they just got here this week. So I'm super excited to tell you about that. But really quick first, Halloween is coming up, and at our store for the past few years, we have done a Halloween event, and it's for pets and kids too. You know, we welcome kids, but absolutely pets, kids, any of that type of stuff. So we'll have photos. I actually got a selfie printer, and so we can print pictures right there of you and your dog, or your dog and your kids, or whatever. We can print those pictures right there for you, and then we'll have them digital as well. So Halloween, come on down. We'll have some treats and some prizes and giveaways and stuff, and you can come in and get your dog or your pet or your cat or your ferret, or I don't know, whatever kind of pet you want to venture in with. We'll get their picture taken and yeah, print it out for you. So along that lines, we picked up a couple of new things at the show. This is kind of some more new products. So let me kind of tell you about that. There's a great company called Nite Dawg, and they have some awesome stuff. And when I'm gonna do a stocking stuffer list this year, because there's some little things that we have in the store that are like even less than $5 and $10 that are awesome gifts for people. And so, and they're things that you wouldn't necessarily think about, but they're stuff that we use every single day. And so I'm gonna do a stocking and Christmas kind of show, or a little video, I guess. Not special enough that this is a show, but a little video down the road. So, but I'll show you some more of the Nite Dawg products. But this is a couple of things that they make that we picked up. And so we've had these, and they're for dogs or pets, you know, of whatever, and you can adjust them. So here's the information on the back. So it flashes, or it can stay on. It illuminates all the way through 360 degrees of illumination, but you can also adjust its size. So here's orange. We've had these in for quite a while. We got green when we were at the show, and this package actually comes with people on it. I don't know about you, but I spend who knows how much buying those glow bracelets and glow necklaces for my kids for the holidays, for our camping trip. You know, when we took the Cub Scouts camping, and I got them for all the kids. And so this takes, I can show you the back here. This takes little batteries, little watch batteries that you can get. And so, but it lasts for, I think it said 60 hours. So, I mean, your kid could wear this on Halloween and 3 other nights trick-or-treating the weekend, and when you go camping, and at home when their friends are there or whatever, and then you plunk it back in your Halloween tote and you have it till next year or whatever. But I think this is, I didn't write down my price on these. I think these are like $11 and $12, somewhere in there. And you put them, I mean, you can put them on you can put them on a kid, you can put them on a dog, a horse, you know, whatever you want to put them on. But they are adjustable, and they do take replacement batteries. So super easy. And then you buy one thing, you know, instead of repeating. The other thing is this Nite Dawg company that they make. We have some runner's vests. I didn't bring one home with me, and I don't know where Jason's is, but it's a little mesh vest that goes on you, and it has a little light in it. You turn it on, and if you're running or biking or whatever, you can use that. Here's a little thing that they have that we just got, brand new, and they're on the front counter at the store now. I think they're $9.99, but so it has a little button, and it goes on, it turns on, and then you can make it flash as well. And we have these in pink, red, and then this neon green. And like it shows on here, it's got it on the back of this dude's hat. Oh, they stapled it on so we couldn't steal it, obviously. Okay, and then you take the little tag out of the back too. But and you put a replacement battery in these, and so it's not, you know, it's not something that you know, once you buy it, you have it. And so for $10, you stick this on your ball cap, on your shirt sleeve, you know, on your shirt or whatever. It magnets. It's got this really strong magnet in here together, and so you can stick it on your, I don't have long short sleeves on, but you can stick it on here. So if you're going biking or running, or you're with your kids, or you're shipping your kids out, if you can see the back there that has little different colors that we have in, and yeah, lasts for 70 hours. I mean, super long time, easy to use, 10 bucks. Stick it everywhere on your kid at night, or you, if you're going out biking or running, or, you know, any of that type of stuff, just out, you know, out and about where you need some little flashing lights so people can see you. So anyway, we got those in this show, and we have those on the counter too. One of those fun Nite Eyes things that they have. Another thing that Nite Eyes makes is, I was showing you those things that go around your dog. Well, this is dog collars. We have them in 3 sizes, and it says highly water resistant, LED visible up to 1,000 feet. Glow or flash for 75 hours, and then it's a replacement battery. So you just turn it on, and then it glows. I don't know if you can see that. I've got all the lights on at my house, so sorry. And you can flash it or turn it off. And so it's very thick, durable. It looks really, really durable. Not that some dog couldn't break it, because, you know, I'll show you my dog in a minute, and she's a heathen, and she could probably tear up anything. But anyway, a great idea if you take your dog out on walks in town, or if you go camping or whatever, and you have, or your dog's just outside and you live in the city, you can see him, and so can other people. Like if he gets out in the road, or she gets out in the road, then you know, it's easy to see him. So okay, so there's that. And then the other thing that we got from Nite Eyes that's new is this motion activated ball, and it has a little pull tab here, so I can't turn it on, but it does turn colors, and it's LED, it's waterproof, it floats, it has an automatic shut off after 10 minutes of inactivity. It has 35 hours of battery life, and the battery is replaceable. And so you buy this, it's pretty indestructible. It seems like it would be good. I can tell you that this is marketed for a dog, but great little gift idea, or something for your kids, because we just, like I said, we just took the Cub Scouts camping, and I happen to have some LED frisbees that we had been given somewhere or something along the way, and the little boys had more fun playing with those light up things with their little glow necklaces on than they did, you know, anything else that night. They wanted to do s'mores and then play with the light up stuff. So yes, it has a dog on it. Yes, it would be great for a dog. It also would be great for little kids. I think my boys would love this. But motion activated, waterproof, floats, great, I guess, in the summertime. You know, you're out, it's out later, I guess, maybe than in the wintertime. But yeah, so that's a couple of fun little things. So now to the dog horn thing, or the thing that helps your dogs not be crazy. The company that we got it from also makes cans of air, like to blow off your computer monitor or your keyboard or whatever. And another product that they make is this safety horn, okay? And it is a couple dollars of it does go to fight breast cancer awareness, so it is a little donation. But this is a little sound super blast safety horn. Eliminates a loud ear-piercing alarm to scare off threatening attackers. Can be heard up to a half mile away. Okay, so this is small. Like you can see, compared to my hand size, it would fit in my car or my purse. We have those taser flashlights still. I know if you came to Ladies Night last year, or even the year before, I think Eldon had them, and he was running around with the taser flashlights, and we have those. We still have them. I'm pretty sure. I'm fairly certain we still have those. But some people don't want to, you know, they don't want to carry a gun, or they don't want to carry a taser in their car with their kids or in their purse. And so this is a super easy little safety horn. These sell for, you know, $9.99, 10 bucks, and great gift, a great stocking stuffer, great item just to get, you know, and have in your car, in your daughter's car. If you know a kid going away to college, stick one in their car and in their purse and in their trunk, or, you know, wherever, so that they can have them around. One in their apartment. I mean, for 10 bucks, you can't, it's not gonna tase you or anything like that. So, I mean, it is loud. It probably would hurt your ears, but yes, at least it is a little personal safety alarm. So that company that I'm about to show you for the dog thing does make these as well. So, my dogs are in the background driving or going crazy. So here is the dog thing, okay? It's called Obey. It's from a company that makes, like I said, the little air things. So it is it's an air can, basically, with this little thing on the end. And the dogs, it makes a noise, and I'll show you. So when this sells for $9.99, okay, at the store. I personally am, we had a sample from the show that I had, and I brought it home and tried it. I will tell you a note, my kids broke off this thing, so be real careful because if it breaks off, then it won't make the sound anymore and then it won't work. So my kids broke it off, and I was so desperate to get them in. I am going to have them in like 3 rooms in my house, and who knows wherever else, in the shop, in the man cave, because the dogs actually listen to this and will quit barking. And we have a Pomeranian. She's an accidental dog. Long story short, but she had double lung pneumonia when she was little, and so she couldn't go outside and potty for like 3 months. I mean, Jason loves her. She loves all of us, but she gets away with, she's 4 now. She gets away with about everything because she is so spoiled. But she barks and barks and barks. Kayla, I see that you said on there, I'm gonna need a lot of those. I know, right? For $10, you can stick them in like every room of your house. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So when you get it home, and like I said, it's a can of air, so it's not gonna hurt your dog, it's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna hurt your kids. It's not, it's not like, a chemical or anything that you're shocking them or stuff. So, it's very humane. Okay, so there's a little tab on here that you have to tear off. See, tear off tab. Okay, so you tear off the tab. Maybe. Okay. Tear off the tab, and here is what you have. This. Okay, so I'm gonna start my vacuum, and I'm gonna show you Miss Bella and her heathenness. Okay, so sorry, my nose is running. Just FYI, like I said, she's kind of a heathen. I got this, my parents gave me one of those robo vacuums, and it wasn't something that was ever really on my list. Anyway, I love it. So yeah, like I said, pardon my decor, or my dust and mess, but okay, here's my vacuum. Here's my little dogs. Hi girls, how are you? Look at them, they're over there fighting with each other. Okay, so they bark at the vacuum like nobody's business. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. And she already sees the can that I have because we've been working with her. No. So she's already sees the can and stops. Okay, so the other thing that they hate, let me try this because you didn't really get a huge representation because she was she's already saw the can and she was like, oh no, not that. So, I don't know if I can show you. Here, let me see if I can tilt this down. Okay, let me try to ring my doorbell because they hate when the mailman comes. Okay, can you see him over there? I don't know if you can see him. Let me see. You can hear them, I know. Okay, so here they are barking. Sorry. Here they are barking. There's Miss Bella. Who's here, Bella? Who's here? Who's here? Somebody's here. No. No. Did you see her? Can you see her? Okay, so, woo, sorry, people. All right, so here I'm back. Sorry, it's kind of crazy. So hard to show you when I'm by myself. Yeah. So the safety, the little horn, the little air can, it definitely it gets their attention. So it just makes a little noise, and my Lhasa Apso, she's now hiding in our room because she does not like it. But Miss Bella, our barker, who will she has gotten so much better just in the week and a half that we use this can, because normally if you have ever been to my house, she barks and barks and barks and barks. And then she barks more. Like, this is the dog who gave herself laryngitis from barking. So it's like, yeah, it's tons better. And all we have to do is just squirt this little trigger. And now Jason just carries this with him to the back door in the mornings when he goes to work, and she like sits down and watches him leave. She doesn't like bite his heels and bark at him all the way out. So I can see your questions if anybody has any questions, but again, I figured out how to do that. I know, right? I should have a long time ago, but anyway, $9.99. So for $10, like I said, I'm going to have one. If you have a motorhome, stick one in there. If you have, a place where you take your dogs out somewhere, totally worth it to stick one everywhere that you take your dog or have your dog. Yeah, so we have these in stock, and like I said, and we have the personal safety horns and all the little dog light up night eyes stuff too. So check this out if you have heathen dogs like we do, because it definitely does what it says, and it's called Obey, and it will be in the store. Yeah, so anyway, here you go. You should check it out. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I hope we see you at our Halloween event that's coming up, and I hope you register for Ladies Night. We have about, I can't remember, 80 or 90 women registered, and I'm getting ready to finalize the t-shirts. So if you haven't registered for Ladies Night, please get in and do that so we can get your gift bags and all your stuff, going in here. So have a great day. Thank you guys. And